Namaste friends, welcome to Diamondboxstudio. In today's video, we will discuss 21 ways through which you can generate passive income as a student. 1. Blogging. Blogging is a popular way to earn money by writing about your passion. You can start your own blog or use popular platforms like WordPress, Medium, or Blogger. To earn money from blogging, you can place ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing on your blog. You can use Google AdSense or affiliate marketing websites like Amazon, Shreyas Sale, Commission Junction, etc. To place ads and affiliate links on your blog. Blogging is a competitive field, but if you create quality content for your audience, you can succeed. 2. Affiliate marketing. In affiliate marketing, you promote a company's products and earn a commission if someone makes a purchase through your promotion. You can use websites like Amazon Affiliate, Flipkart Affiliate, or eBay Partner Network to do affiliate marketing. For this, you need a website or blog where you can promote the product. You should have good knowledge about the products so that you can provide the right information to your audience. 3. Stock market investment. You can earn money through capital appreciation and dividends by investing in the stock market. For this, you need to have knowledge about the stock market. You need to research stocks and invest in those that have the potential for growth and dividend income. Before investing in the stock market, you should understand your risk profile so that you can diversify your investments. 4. Creating a YouTube channel. You can create a YouTube channel and make money by creating informative and engaging videos about your passion. For this, you need to create a YouTube channel and upload videos to it. You can place ads on your videos through the YouTube Partner Program and sell merchandise to your audience. YouTube has a lot of competition, but if you create quality content, you can make your channel successful. 5. Selling digital products. You can create digital products like ebooks, online courses, and printables and sell them to make money. You need to promote your digital products to reach more customers. You can use websites like Gumroad or Sandal to sell your digital products. 6. Online surveys. You can earn money by participating in online surveys. There are many websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, or Tolana where you can participate in surveys and earn money. The amount of money you can earn from online surveys is not much, but it can be a good way to earn some extra cash. 7. Online freelancing. You can offer your skills and services online as a freelancer. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer.com allow you to offer your services in various fields like graphic design, content writing, or programming. You can set your own rates and work on projects that interest you. 8. Online tutoring. You can offer your tutoring services online to students who need help in various subjects. You can use websites like Chegg, Tutum, or Schooly to offer your services. You need to have good knowledge about the subject and be able to teach effectively to earn money as an online tutor. 9. Online data entry. You can earn money by doing online data entry jobs. There are many websites like Amazon Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, or Microworkers where you can find data entry jobs. The pay for data entry jobs is not high, but it can be a good way to earn some extra cash. 10. Social media management. You can offer your services as a social media manager to businesses and individuals who need help in managing their social media accounts. You need to have good knowledge about social media platforms and be able to create engaging content to attract more followers and increase engagement. You can use websites like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to offer your services. 11. Dropshipping. You can start a dropshipping business and sell products online without keeping any inventory. In dropshipping, you create an online store and partner with a supplier who fulfills the orders for you. You need to promote your online store to reach more customers and make sales. 12. E-commerce. You can start an e-commerce business and sell products online. You can create your own online store or use popular platforms like Amazon, Etsy, or Shopify. You need to research the market and find the products that have high demand. You should also have good knowledge about digital marketing to promote your products and reach more customers. 13. Investing in real estate. You can invest in real estate and earn passive income through rental properties. You can buy a property and rent it out to earn rental income. You need to research the real estate market and find properties that have high rental potential. You should also have good knowledge about property management to maintain the property and attract tenants. 14. Creating a mobile app. You can create a mobile app and earn money through ads or in-app purchases. You need to have good knowledge about app development and user experience to create a successful app. You can use platforms like Google AdMob or Unity Ads to place ads on your app. 15. Selling stock photos. If you have a talent for photography, you can sell your photos online and earn money. You can use websites like Shutterstock, iStock, or Adobe Stock to sell your photos. You need to have good photography skills and be able to create photos that have high demand. 16. Selling products on Etsy. If you are good at making handmade items like jewelry, crafts, or home decor, you can sell them on Etsy and earn money. Etsy is a popular platform for selling handmade products. You need to create quality products and promote them to reach more customers. 17. Creating an online course. You can create an online course about a topic that you are passionate about and sell it to earn money. You need to create quality content and promote your course to reach more students. You can use platforms like Teachable or Udemy to create and sell your online course. 18. Creating an ebook. You can create an ebook about a topic that you are knowledgeable about and sell it on Amazon or other platforms. You need to write quality content and promote your ebook to reach more readers. 19. Investing in cryptocurrencies. You can invest in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin and earn passive income through price appreciation or staking. You need to have good knowledge about cryptocurrencies and the market trends to make informed decisions. 20. Creating and selling stock music. If you have a talent for creating music, you can sell your stock music online and earn money. You can use websites like Audio Jungle, Pond5, or Production Tracks to sell your stock music. You need to create music that has high demand and be able to promote it to reach more customers. 21. Creating and selling stock videos. If you have a talent for videography, you can create and sell your stock videos online. You can use websites like Shutterstock, iStock, or Getty Images to sell your stock videos. You need to create videos that have high demand and be able to promote them to reach more customers. Before we dive into the bonus content, we want to ask for your support by subscribing to our channel, liking this video, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support means everything to us and helps us create more valuable content for you. Bonus: greater than creating and selling stock graphics. If you have a talent for graphic design, you can create and sell your stock graphics online. You can use websites like GraphicRiver, Creative Market, or Envato Elements to sell your stock graphics. You need to create graphics that have high demand and be able to promote them to reach more customers. These are some of the ways through which you can generate passive income as a student. You need to choose the method that suits your skills, interests, and schedule. Keep in mind that generating passive income requires time, effort, and patience. It's not a quick fix for financial problems, but rather a long-term strategy to build wealth. Apart from these methods, there are other ways you can earn money as a student. You can rent out a spare room in your house or apartment on websites like Airbnb. You can also sell items you no longer need on websites like eBay or Craigslist. Another option is to participate in paid focus groups or clinical trials. These opportunities are usually advertised on university notice boards or online forums. You can also earn money by becoming a pet sitter or dog walker on websites like Rover. In conclusion, there are many ways for students to earn passive income. You need to find the method that works for you and be willing to put in the effort to make it successful. Generating passive income can help you build wealth and achieve financial independence in the long run. Sure, I'd be happy to help. Friends, if you found today's video helpful and informative, please consider supporting Diamondboxstudio by liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel. By spreading the word, you can help us reach even more students who are looking for ways to generate passive income. Also, don't forget to check the description for links to our social media pages. We love connecting with our viewers and hearing your feedback and ideas for future videos. So, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to stay updated with our latest content and engage with our community. Finally, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment below and let us know which method of generating passive income you're most excited to try out. And if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, feel free to include them in your comment. We read and respond to every comment, and we appreciate your support and engagement. Don't forget to support our channel, Diamondboxstudio, by spreading this video like wildfire and connecting with us on different social media platforms. You can find the links to our social media accounts in the description below. Thank you for watching, and bye-bye for now. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll be sharing more valuable tips and information with you.